Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Hope you guys are well. It's Mohini, and today I'm here to talk about some hair treatments and my favorite things. I bleached my hair and dyed it blonde. My hair requires a lot of deep conditioning treatments, so this is one of my favorite products. It's called Wella Professionals by Invigo Brilliance, and it includes lime caviar enriched with 6. So this actually has antioxidant shield technology. I actually take it out before hopping in the shower. I take this much and I actually apply it to my colored hair. It increases the longevity of my colored hair as well as the dye. So just take about this much, rub it into your hands, and run through all colored or bleached areas like this. After you're done rubbing it in, you can let the conditioner sit in your hair for about 10 to 15 minutes before going into the shower and rinsing it off. Is my favorite Wella Professional product for my colored and bleached hair. It's about 500 milliliters. This tub will actually last me anywhere from 3 months to 4 months, depending on if I use it weekly or every 2 weeks. But thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to get the best this vibrant color mask once a week to get the best results for your hair. Thanks for watching. So you can get this product in the link in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for the best hair and makeup tips. Bye!